Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I had done a little 1 minute long video of this look a little bit ago on my Instagram, and I liked it so much, so I just decided to do a little voiceover and do the full length video for you guys to watch. So I haven't done a voiceover in forever. So the first thing I did is I just took the Anastasia eyeshadow base with the Morphe B10 brush, and I'm just priming my eyelid with that. So I'm just patting that all over my lid, up to my brow bone, kind of all over the place. I absolutely love this stuff. It's like one of my top favorite primers. I'm also putting it under my eye just to make the color pop. So then in the Morphe James Charles palette, I'm going to grab the shade Brother on my Morphe M506 brush, and I'm just going to start to carve out that cut crease. I like to kind of like form the cut crease shape before actually like cutting the crease, because it makes it just a little bit easier to kind of find where you need to put the product, if that makes any sense at all. I'm just going to blend that until the color is up to the pigment that I want it to be, that bright blue. So then next I'm going to take the shade Hello, again on that M506 brush, and I'm just going to kind of smoke out that playground shade. And I'm just going really lightly with that one, just to kind of make sure that all the colors are really smoked out. And then after that, on the same brush, I'm going to grab the shade Playground. No, that's not Playground. What is that shade? That's Hello. I'm going to take the shade Hello. And again, I'm just going to smoke out the top of that line, just using that kind of shimmery blue color. So then after that, I'm going to grab more of the Anastasia Eye Base, again on my Morphe B10 brush, and I'm just going to start to cut that crease. I absolutely love this stuff to cut the crease with, just because like I feel like I was using concealer for the longest time and it would always cause creasing, or it would just like transfer all over the place, and it was just too much. This stuff is amazing though. And then I'm just going to kind of bring that down all over the lid. Just coat that whole area there. Then after that, I'm going to grab the shade Mediterranean in the Anastasia Riviera Palette on my Morphe E19 brush, and I'm just going to start to cover that whole area there where the eye base was. And like as I'm doing this, it starts to kind of look like all the blues are like meshing together, but trust me, I will go back in and I will fix that. So then I'm going to go back into the Morphe and James Charles palette, and I'm going to grab the shade Brother again on my Glam Beauty Angled Detail brush. You can just get this brush from Walmart, it's just a couple bucks. And I'm going to go back over that cut crease line just to kind of like bring that bright blue back. It can kind of disappear once you start adding things to the lid. So then I'm going to grab the shade Playground again on my E19 brush from Morphe again, and I'm just going to kind of repeat the previous steps to really smoke out that upper line. And again, grabbing the shade Hello on my M506 brush again, I'm going to just continue to blend that line out. I also brought it up lightly on my brow bone just as like a slight bluish highlight, because I really liked that. So then after that, I'm going to go ahead and grab the Loreal Infallible Gel Liner on one of my NARS angled brushes. I can't remember the exact number that it is, but I'm going to go ahead and create a wing, which I haven't been doing many wings lately, but when I do, I have been using this, and I actually really prefer it to like liquid liner because it's just a little bit easier to work with. So then after that, I'm going to take the simple cleansing makeup wipes, and I'm just going to kind of like sharpen up that outer edge of the eyeshadow. And again, grabbing the shade Playground on the M506 brush, I'm just going to start to buff that along my lower lash line there. And really, really build that pigment up. And again, grabbing the shade Brother on my Morphe MB47 flat top brush there, I'm just going to run that like deeper blue right along my lash line. I'm not going to bring that one down as far. So then I'm going to take my Mercier Extra Lash Sculpting Mascara and pop that on, which y'all know how to put mascara on, so I'm not going to elaborate. And then finally, I'm going to pop on my Salon Perfect 614 lashes. There we go. And then give me 1 second just to finish the rest of my face, and there's the completed look, guys. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to hit the like button down below and to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. There's all my social across the screen. I'm not used to doing voiceovers. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Have a good one, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.